In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to fix your lagging YouTube app on your mobile phone if it's not opening, if your videos aren't loading and anything. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that in 3 different ways. So the first option we need to do is we hop on Google Play Store here. So now I open Google Play Store here. What we need to do is we just search YouTube here and then we try to update the app here. So that's the first method. Sometimes you need an update for the app to work. So we just search that and we check whether there is an update, and you can see there is an update here. Good. So if you update the app and still is not working, now let's move to the second option. The second option is going to help you solve the problem. So now you move to your settings here. You can see on my settings, I move to my apps and notification. It depends on the mobile phone you're using. It's going to differ, but then just move to your manage apps on your mobile phone. And now we scroll to YouTube. So yes, just scroll to the bottom. So we finally find the YouTube. What we are going to do is we open the YouTube here and we do 1, 2, 3 tweaks to see whether it's going to work. So we open the storage first here. What we are going to do here is we are going to clear our cache. So let's tap on the clear cache here. So after we clear our cache, we can clear our data, but I'm not going to recommend that. If you have a YouTube channel that you've forgotten the password, or you have a YouTube account on that YouTube and you've forgotten the password, you are going to lose access to it if you clear the data. So let me tap on that for you guys to see the prompt here. You're going to lose your account, your databases and everything. So if you have any important information there that you don't want to lose access to, you are not going to clear that. Now let's come back here. And after clearing the cache and everything, we can come to the permissions. Sometimes you need to allow your microphone, your storage, and few other stuff here. So after doing these 2 tweaks, your YouTube needs to work. If it doesn't work after these 2 tweaks, you just hop back on Google Play Store. And what you are going to do is you just uninstall the app and reinstall it once again. So you just tap on the uninstall and you uninstall it and you reinstall. You log in your account back and then you see whether it's going to work. And I hope after doing that it's going to work. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.